Let's go to work. Turn to the cup. 10 feet speed. That's solid. That's solid. Very solid. 2 feet of speed. 6 feet. Let's turn all the way to the hole. Keep turning. There it is, right there. Six feet speed. 2-footer. Nail it. Great putt. Oh, you bet, Troy. 14-footer speed. Gonna work. Turn to the cup, Troy. You didn't turn last time. Turn. 14 feet speed. Get it there. Good speed. Excellent, sir. You bet. You bet. Good. 2 feet speed. Let's turn to the hole before we line ourselves up. Keep turning. There it is, right there. 6 feet speed. Turn a little bit more to the hole, Troy. Keep turning. Right there. 6 feet speed. Beautiful drop. Good drop. Way to line up to the hole. That looks like you're lined up. 10 feet speed, sir. Follow through. Not bad. Let's drop this one. 14 feet speed. Turning to the hole. Hands in the middle. Relax. This is your speed. Take ownership of it. Good speed. Great putts. You bet. Speed, distance, control. That's 14-footer. I want you to remember that speed, sir. Drop those in. Drop them in. Good. 1-footer. Drop that in where it lies. Drop it in where it lies. 1-footer. Okay.